Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a day or two since I posted a video up, and I've picked up a few new cars, and I've done another trade with the Mustang Hunter, so I thought I'd share that with you all. I've got my channel in the background there. I'm having to use a makeshift desk for what I'm doing right now, but you'll notice I'm up to 937 subs. We're closing in on the 1,000 mark. When we get there, we're going to do some giveaways. I'm about to make a video on that come up in the next few days. I'm going to show you what I'm going to give away there. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into what I found on the Hot Wheels side. M2s. I've picked up 3 of those here recently. They're a little pricey. I don't exactly get many of those, but this 73 Chevy Cheyenne Super 10 Coca-Cola edition, I found it up here at the local Walmart. The lighting is horrible in here. I hope y'all can see that. I picked this thing up. Pretty neat truck. It is not a chase by any means. Like I said, these are a little pricey, but I saw that one and liked it. I got this here 68 Chevrolet Camaro SS XL version. Pretty neat. And I got one more M2. I've got the 76 GMC Sierra Grande 15. Looks like the under construction edition. None of those are chased, by the way. Like I said, I just liked them and picked them up. The Nissan Skyline. I picked up a couple of these and traded one of them off. The excuse me, let me get this thing in focus. Really like the way it looks. The Forza Horizon 4. Really like that car. Alright, let's put it right up here. Done some trading with a local collector here. He's run into some of the AMC Rebel machine. Some that I haven't come across yet. We got that one. Saw this on another guy's channel. Again, I apologize for the lighting, but a different color variation of the custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. We have got an 87 Buick Regal. Really interesting cast. I do like it. Picked up a Flying Custom here. Got the 55 Chevy. Wish that would have been a different color. If I could find another one, I may change that myself, but that's a really good looking cast. And last but not least, in those loose ones, saw this one on the guy's channel the other day and really liked it, really wanted one. He had one of them. It's a Matchbox. Matchbox has started coming out with some really, really good looking cars. If anybody can see that. That is a good looking car. Alright, this is going to be a short video. I won't tie up too much time here. Let's go ahead and get this box out. Get it cut open. And just to prove it, marked out the address, but there it is from the Mustang Hunter. Now, I don't know if I can one-hand this thing, so we're going to leave this tied up, or the camera set up rather. See if we can cut this box open. We'll put it down just a second while I cut that open. I don't want to cut myself or any computer cords or anything important that's inside the box. So there we go. Alright, let's see what we got here. I don't know if I can get this thing out. I'm going to try to hold the camera up here with one hand and film with the other. Looks like he's got it nicely packaged. Now this was from a trade we did. Let's go ahead and get it out. That's it on the box. Alright, I believe I'm a little behind, but I think this is the trade where I sent him the Mazda Miata, the red one. I'll put the link to his videos and stuff down below. He's got some really good videos. Go check him out and these other 2 or 3. You got Nas and King Nut that I watch quite often. Alright, you got me on this one. I'm going to have to figure out how to get into this. Hold on just a second. Okay, here we are. I took them out of the bubble wrap, but I have not picked them up yet, so I wanted to get the camera going again. Let's see what we got. Oh yes, I asked him to pick me up if he would. A couple of these trucks, and there's one. and a 2. And 3. So I'm going to be doing some customizing on those. He showed those on his video. If you find the link, they're just the mainline version, but I've got some customizing that I want to do to those. Now here's what the actual trade was. I traded the Mazda Miata for the Red Edition, excuse me, let me get this in focus, Red Edition Cool Combi Hello Kitty van. I didn't have that one, so I did receive one that I really wanted, and these other 3 I really wanted also, because like I said, I've got a pretty good idea for a custom for this one. But that'll about do it for this video. I just wanted to make a short video to show you what I traded and got off him. Him being the Mustang hunter, if you missed that. Some sad news the other day. I've been a long-time ZZ Top fan, if anybody's that. I've had this car, I'm not sure what year it come out, if we can see this. I got it upside down there. Looks like 79 was the original casting maybe on this. I've had this car since probably the mid-80s. Haven't seen another one in person. I've seen them on eBay going for sale and all. But anyway, just wanted to share that. I do have one of those. I've had a couple people try to trade it, or trade me out of it rather, but I think I'll just hang on to it now. Sad news, Dusty Hill passed. Anyway, if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Once again, I got these cars here, and all these others, these M2s. Really like this one. Kind of wish they might have threw the bed in there just for good measure. You could put it on if you wanted to, if you opened it. Really good looking cast. And if I could find one more of these right here, I'm going to open it. I've got a different color scheme I would like to use on that. Anyway, small haul, here we go. We'll leave you with that. Y'all have a great day. God bless. See you on the next one.